How to actually use Quantman to its full capability. Most traders are using Quantman like it's just another automation tool. Set up, deploy, hope. But the top 10% are using Quantman in ways that feel almost unfair. Not because they are smarter, not because they have inside information, but because they know which features to use, when to use them, and how to stack them together. In this video, I will show you how serious traders actually use Quantman to think better, trade cleaner, and survive longer. The core misunderstanding: most traders treat every strategy like it's starting from zero. New idea, new setup, new test, new hope. That's a massive waste of time and capital. Professionals do the opposite. They built what I call a strategy vault. Build a strategy vault, but most traders don't. A strategy vault is so simple. It is where nothing is random. Every strategy has a clear market condition, clear logic, clear risk model, clear expectation. Instead of testing 20 strategies once, they test one logic deeply. In Quantman, this means same base logic, multiple variation, different risk profiles, different market regimes. You stop asking, is this strategy good? You start asking, when does this strategy behave well and when does it break? That's intelligence. Stop mixing everything. Separate systems properly. Most traders mix discretionary ideas, automation ideas, positional logic, intraday logic. Everything in one account, one capital, one emotional mess. Smart Quantman users separate systems, different strategies, different capital buckets, different expectations, just like you would not mix. Long-term investing money with daily expenses, you should not mix. Experimental strategies with validated systems. Quantman allows this. Most traders just don't use this way. Use backtesting as research, not validation. This is where most traders go wrong. They backtest to prove, see it works. Professional backtests to ask, how does this fail? They study post drawdown, flat period, recovery time, losing streak behavior. Because profits excites beginners, drawdowns educates professionals. Quantman is not just telling you if your strategy made money. It is showing you how it behaves when things go wrong. That's where confidence actually comes from. Stop writing emotional logic. Most traders write rules like this. Markets looks weak. Trend feels strong. Momentum is good. Quantman forces an uncomfortable shift. Exact conditions, exact triggers, exact exits. This feels hard at first. Not because Quantman is complex, but because most traders have never defined their clear thinking. Clarity feels heavy when you used to guessing. Use automation to expose yourself, not protect yourself. Automate to escape fear, hesitation, and revenge trading. That's misuse. Smart traders automate to expose over optimization, unrealistic expectations, emotional discomfort during drawdowns. Automation doesn't remove psychology. It puts it under a microscope. When a system is running, you can't interfere. You can't blame execution. You can't lie to yourself. That's why automation feels uncomfortable to inconsistent traders. And that's why it's powerful, because it creates consistency for traders. Build prompt like strategy templates. Serious Quantman users don't reinvent their strategies every time. They build their strategy templates. For example, breakout logic template, mean reversion template, trend following template. Then they adjust time frame, stop logic, position sizing. Same thinking, different expression. This is how traders compound learning, not just the capital. Batch testing instead of one by one hope. Most traders test like this: test, react, tweak, panic. Professionals batch test. They run multiple variations, same logic, same period, then compare behavior. Quantman makes this possible, but only if you stop micromanaging results emotionally. Batching removes bias. Treat Quantman like a thinking partner. The biggest shift is this. Stop treating Quantman like a do trades for me. Start treating it like show me the truth. Truth about your patience, your risk tolerance, your discipline, your expectations. Quantman doesn't judge, it just reflects. And most traders aren't ready for that mirror. The real full capability of the Quantman, real power is not only speed, automation, no code execution. The real power is this. It turns vague trading ideas into clear systems. It turns emotions into data. It turns excuses to evidence. That's why beginners feel overwhelmed and professionals feel calm. If you are using Quantman just to automate trades, you are just using 20% of its full capability. If you use it to structured thinking, test honestly, execute without emotions, you will understand why serious traders will never go back. If you are a serious trader, then you will never go back. Subscribe for more videos on systems, psychology, and structured trading. Thank you.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.